Qinlive sent these seat covers for our review, and I'm excited to show them to you. I installed the first one right here, and I want to show the second one so you can actually have an idea of how they actually get installed. They're really, really nice. Look at this. I had neoprene seat covers behind. They get really hot. They get really kind of like, I don't know. I don't like the actual feel of them. This is super nice. It's got that kind of nice, high-end pleather on the top there that I really, really like. But I do love the fact that it's not pleather the whole way through. You actually have this mesh here. It's kind of like a grippy mesh, but it's also breathable mesh. So you're not going to sit on the cushion and be like, super hot as soon as it's, if it was pleather the whole way, it'd be really, really hot on your bottom, on your back. But this one is really, really nice. And it's extremely easy to install because these are separate, completely separate. The neoprene, I can tell you, was incredibly hard to install. If they're, the whole thing going on top of it makes it a mess to install. This is so simple. It is a 2-pack. So I've got the, the passenger side here. This is the backrest. So you've got the backrest that looks like this. You've got straps, really easy to understand straps because this strap here hooks on to itself. And the bottom, I'll explain the bottom in just a second because the bottom works just like the one on the bottom half right here. And you've got this one here as well. The bottom straps will get attached with the provided hooks. So they do give you hooks you can actually use and hook under your mesh. So under your the car seat, you've got a car seat, you've got a bunch of different ways that and actually different hoops that you can attach this nice little thing right there. And it makes it look, let me take this off just so you can actually see. It actually makes it look really tight and fits perfectly in my Jeep Wrangler. So that's the one part. But the part that I love the most, and I think that's what makes it unique, is the way you actually go right through with these hoops. And on the back, you've got what they call a chuck. I installed 2 different chucks. And what it is once you're on the back here, you will actually go like this. And I'll show you exactly what it looks like, and like that. So this chuck will actually be right behind the car seat, or the car seat, and basically not enable it to go through. So it will become super tight and doesn't bubble up. Really, really nice. I love the way that it looks right out of the box, obviously. And the cool thing, and I just noticed it when I put it on, it has a nice little pocket at the front. So if you want to put your phone here, you don't want to, put it anywhere else in the car, boom, phone, cables, maybe some snacks in there. Super, super easy to use. The only thing I did not add was this, because the neoprene cover that I have right now will not permit it, but I probably will take out the neoprene cover entirely and just use these, because this is what it looks like. This is what you would be doing. You'd actually have it like that, and this would loop around underneath. What's really nice is that they provide you, or they actually include 2 different types of loops, so that will make it either looser or tighter, because they're 2 different sizes of loop, and super easy to, of course, just snap on just like that. You slide it in. Let me just put it like that. Boom. You slide it in and it's done. That's what I love the most about it. It took me literally 3 minutes to install 1 seat. Now that I've got the hang of it, the second one will take me probably 2 minutes. These are really, really nice from Qinlive. Well done.